So here is the packing process, and trying to be as neat as possible. As you can see, guys are packing duplicator 8s here, and here is the resin tank. Here's the resin tank, and this one is the toolbox, and just covering it by this film and trying to be as neat as possible. This is the packing process at Wanhao Factory for duplicator 8. As you can see here, the foam, they put it on the LCD screen right here. One more here, it's almost ready. The toolbox and the building platform here, and tighten it with this plastic belt and dispatching it, sending it out.